Bathing, whether standing or lying down. Don't put spotlights on your head. Steaming water vapor meets sharp light. Brings vertigo. Can you install downlights? Yes, very common. Evenly illuminate every inch of skin. Suitable for standing up. It is not suitable for lying down. Because the principle of the bathtub is not only to lie down and not see the light source directly. Otherwise, the experience of bathing is very poor. Today, it is said that the shower area is not only, when buying lights, pay attention to the low color temperature at 3 o'clock. The power should be small. Waterproof is better. The color temperature is around 2700, power 5 watts. Don't worry about not being bright enough. After many people check in, they often feel that the kitchen is not bright enough. The bathroom is too bright. This is a brief table of water resistance ratings. The numbers in front represent dust protection. The numbers on the back represent waterproofing. Choose IP65 for the shower area. Choose IP44 for other places in the bathroom. Some people don't like to install downlights in small spaces. It's like a flashlight. I dare not relax. It can be used far away from the shower. Adjust the angle. The spotlight is biased opposite the shower. Don't look at the window. It projects a person's silhouette out the window. If it is like the washing area mentioned in the previous issue, arrange light strips in the middle and low sections. Choose 6 watts per meter for power. It is enough to use the slow reflection of the light that does not see the light. The shower area can be left unlit or install a downlight. Easy to clean. Another setting is the bathtub. I just said lie down and don't see the light source directly. So 30 centimeters at the end of the bathtub. Also shine anti-glare spotlights to one side. But since they have bathtubs, I recommend you to use a light slot on the facade or at the top. The effect is better than downlight spotlights. Soak in the bathtub. No matter how you look up, you can't see it. Extend each pore under soft lighting. If that's not sophisticated enough, I want to toss the atmosphere. There are niches left. There are 2 ways to give light. One is to put a low voltage light strip inside. Make a light slot in advance when making the niche. Above, avoid standing water. The transformer is in the ceiling. Easy to maintain. The other is to put a spotlight on the top of the niche, suitable for glass laminates. Lights from top to bottom. The bathroom is not only about the washing area and shower area, and then the toilet seat. You can leave the lights alone. You don't have to drill a hole in the ceiling. The surrounding lighting is sufficient. Don't do what hotels do by putting lights on top of toilet. They want to reflect the cleanliness of the sanitary ware. There is no need to imitate at home. I really want to pretend 30 centimeters in front of the toilet with spotlights. 15-degree beam of light, anger 3 watts. Above 2700 K is the bathroom fill light. Liked by young people. Old people can't accept it. Vision loss. Reduced sensitivity to light. They need uniform and bright lighting, depending on the situation at home and the number of bathrooms. The flat lighting of flat lamps can better satisfy the comfort of the elderly. Any questions? We will discuss in the comment area.